Hi RNs! Today's quick lecture is about psychosexual theory by Sigmund Freud. Ano nga ba ang psychosexual theory ni Sigmund Freud? This is a proposed theory that tells us that an individual's personality is developed through a series of childhood stages where yung satisfaction ng child or yung pleasure niya or yung libido is specific to certain zones in a certain childhood stage. And if this stage are successful, the child will develop a healthy personality. And if some areas are unsatisfied or overindulged, magkakaroon siya ng tinatawag na fixation, which can lead to a certain behavioral traits in adulthood. First stage, we have the oral stage, or at infancy, up to 1 year old. So ang focus during this stage ay ang mouth. It's either the baby use the mouth through chewing, sucking, or biting. Ang mouth ay ang site of gratification ni baby. Gamit niya yung mga rooting and sucking reflex. So, iiyak siya para mabigyan niya siya ng atensyon ng kanyang parents or ng caregiver upang masatisfy ang kanyang oral stimulation through feeding. And if this stage is not satisfied, the child will soon develop oral fixations. These are bad habits involving the mouth, such as smoking, alcoholic, nail biting, chewing gums, toothpicking, and sucking lollipops. The next stage is called anal stage. It happens 1 to 3 years old or during toddlerhood. Ang focus naman dito ni child is toilet training or bowel and bladder control. If this stage is successful, he or she can develop a sense of independence. The child's fixation in this stage depends on the approach of the caregiver or the parents of the child. If the child's parents or caregiver is too strict, it leads to overdeveloped guilt feelings. And if too relaxed naman, it will lead to underdeveloped guilt feelings, which we can relate sa mga taong may anti-personality disorder. So ano nga ba ang proper na gagawin ni parents? Dapat give the child enough time during toilet training. The next stage is phallic stage, which happens during 3 to 6 years old or at preschool ages. Focus ni child dito is yung genitals. Ito yung site of gratification ni child. Nalalaman na nila yung pagkakaiba ng lalaki at babae. Meron din ginagawa dito si child na tinatawag na infantile masturbation. Ito yung sometimes na nakikita natin si child na nilalaro niya yung kanyang genitals. What do? Just simply provide distraction si child. And if na-tolerate ni parents or ni caregiver ang actions na ito, it could lead to exhibitionism personality in the future or yung sexual dysfunction. Freud also introduced during these stages yung mga terms na Oedipus complex and Electra complex. Oedipus complex is the baby boy views their fathers as rivals for their mother's affection. On the other hand, Electra complex naman is yung baby girl views their mothers as rivals for their father's affections. Ito yung mga tinatawag natin na mama's boy and papa's girl. If hindi na satisfied yung childhood stage na ito, magkakaroon si child ng fixation about adult sexual dysfunction. Ito yung when he or she could question his or her masculinity or femininity kasi they didn't learn that during this stage from their parents or caregivers. Next stage is yung latent stage. It happens during 6 years old to puberty. Kakaiba yung stage na ito because from the word latent, lahat ng libido and fixation is absent. No focus, inactive ang pleasure ni child or suppressed. Instead, the child's energy is channeled in developing social skills, friendships, and hobbies, especially at school settings. So this stage, walang fixation. And the last stage is called genital stage. It happens during puberty up to that, or at adolescence. Ang focus naman dito is maturing sexual interest. The person now initiates to develop relationship with the opposite sex. So from the latent stage, nagkakaroon ng re-emergence of libido. If this stage naman is hindi successful, ang fixation naman dito is the struggle to maintain a healthy relationship. So ito lang talaga ang dapat i-remember ninyo, RNs, yung term or yung mnemonic na OA palagi. This term refers to the stages na diniscuss natin earlier. O for oral, A for anal, PA for phallic, LA for latent, and GE for genital. Yun lang. Thank you.